channel where I help small business owners, entrepreneurs, and consultants with taxes, finances, bookkeeping, and mindset so that together we can create a foolproof plan that will help you grow your business past the six-figure mark. Now, in today's video, we're going to be going over 5 habits to grow your business past the six-figure mark, from important to most important. So definitely stay till the end because the habits will get better and better. Habit number 1 of the 5 habits to help you grow your business past the six-figure mark is outsourcing some or all of your work. Okay. Now look, guys, this habit you will need to implement as soon as possible so that your business continues to grow, right? The fastest you can do this, the better it will be for your business. Now, let me explain why, okay? When you start hiring someone for 15 hours, 20 hours a week, what that does is that it helps you be able to focus on the things that make you more money. For instance, it allows you to focus on sales. It allows you to be in front of customers more often because you're not doing the admin work. You're not doing the social media post of your business, right? You are hiring someone to help you with those two areas, admin work and your social media. If you are a content, the biggest things you can do for your business is make sure that you hire someone. Now, some of my clients ask me, when does this make sense? When should I hire someone? And this is what I say. When you start making mistakes because you forgot a client, because you forgot a file, because this happened in your business, okay? When you start making mistakes is when you need to hire. I'm telling you that from experience. I'm telling you that because I've seen it from a lot of my business owners, right? There's small businesses that are either starting up or have been in business for maybe 2 or 3 years and not realizing that they are bottlenecking themselves into the business and not being able to expand or grow, okay? Now, moving on to habit number 2 on the 5 habits to help you grow your business past the six-figure mark is checking your financial books. Look, guys, I know that budgeting might be a pain, right? But the reality of it is that this habit in itself will take 2 steps, okay? It's going to take 2 steps from you. And when this becomes a habit for you, I promise you it will make the biggest difference in your business, okay? Step number 1 in this particular habit is keeping a budget. Now, yes, you can use the Excel spreadsheet, and you can use a tablet, and you can use the old-time ledgers that most accountants and bookkeepers use, right? But look, this is the reality of it. We got to change with the times. And right now, the biggest ones are QuickBooks and Xero. For the amount that you pay on a monthly basis, it could be $30, $35 a month. I promise you, at the end, every month, you'll be able to see a report that you can measure and track. Because as we know, whatever is tracked and measured grows, right? If you don't track it and you don't measure it, it will not grow. So having QuickBooks or Xero, like I said, will definitely help you so that you can look at what's coming in, what's going out of your business, and can be categorized for you, okay? Step number 2 is to pay yourself, okay? Pay yourself, pay your staff, pay your taxes, and pay your expenses. There's 5 areas that you want to focus on. These are 5 areas that I teach my clients and that I do for myself and my business, right? The 5 areas are profit, your salary, your staff members, your taxes, and your expenses, okay? In those 5 areas, I usually take a percentage and put that aside to a different account. Okay, the first one is profit. I usually take 20% of the profit of that month and I move it to a separate account. I take 30% and I pay my salary. I take 20%, I pay my staff. I take another 20% and I pay taxes on it. And then the last is the expenses, and that is usually 10% of my expense, okay, of my. Now moving on to habit number 3 on the 5 habits to help you grow your business to pass the 6-figure mark is taking care of yourself. Look guys, I know, right? You know, don't want to spend time sleeping or taking care of yourself. But look, if we don't take care of ourselves, if we don't take care of our mind, body, and soul, our business will be irrelevant. Okay, you won't be able to make that impact on people. You won't be able to help people with your service or your product, right? And as for myself, I'm here to serve people and help them save more money, make more money in any way that's possible. That is my purpose. Okay, now there are 4 things that I do for myself to help me with this habit, right? To help me keep on track on taking care of myself. One of the first ones I do every single day is go to sleep early so I can wake up early, okay? The second one is I drink tons of water, right? I drink more than 64 ounces of water a day. Why? Because my body needs to hydrate. It needs that water, right? The third would be exercise. Every morning I get up, I put my workout clothes on, and I hit my home gym. I have a treadmill, I have weights there, I have a mat where I stretch, where I do all my dynamic stretching, and I hit the treadmill. Or when it's nice out, I usually will take a bike ride. Okay, so you have to keep doing these things that will become ingrained with you so that you can build a business that makes a difference to others, not just you, right? But to others. All right. Now, making sure, like I said, make sure to take care of your mind, body, and your soul. That is the most important thing. Now, before I move on to the next habit, if you want to learn more about tax strategies, okay, and how you can take advantage of them, I have created an ebook that if you want to learn more about some of the tax strategies I share with my clients, then make sure to click the link below in my description box or in the comment section to download this free ebook. It is a 9 tax strategy ebook that will help you save thousands of dollars. This ebook is to give you value and to save you money. Again, make sure to click the link below in my description box or in the comment section below. Now, with that out of the way, habit number 4 on the 5 habits to help you grow your business past the 6-figure mark is your standard operating procedures, your SOPs. Now, the reason why I say this is because it takes the guesswork out of how your company performs repetitive tasks, right? We all have repetitive tasks that we do here in our businesses, right? That maybe when you hire staff members, you want them to learn how to do it exactly the way you do it, right? Now, the best way to do this that will save you time and money is by recording yourself doing the actions so that you can share it with your staff and they can see it, okay? Now, the best software to use that I have found and that a lot of my clients use is called Loom. It's like less than $10 a month, and you can record it, you can share the screen with your staff member, and you can send it through email or just through a link, and they will have it with them and they can see it over and over again until it becomes ingrained in them and they do it exactly the way you've shown them to do it. Okay, I think that's really important, especially, if you think, if you're anything like me, that's definitely loves to control everything, right? So I'm telling you guys, use Loom. It's not sponsored, but I totally love it. It's great for my business. So that's how I do all of my standard operating procedures. I record everything that I need to be recorded, and then I send it to my staff and I tell them to watch it at least 5 times. Usually it's short. So, all right, guys. Now, habit number 5 on the 5 habits to help you grow your business past the 6-figure mark is writing out your yearly, quarterly, monthly, weekly, and daily goals. Okay? Look, I say this from experience because I work with small business owners and entrepreneurs and consultants, and they want to make over 6 figures. The problem is that you write the 6-figure mark. Let's say you want to make 500,000, you want to make 800,000, you want to make up to 1 million, right? You put it on the wall, you slap it on the wall, and then you just leave it there. Okay, now how are we going to hit that goal if we don't know what steps to take to hit that goal, right? So the biggest thing that I have done for my business and that I have taught a lot of my clients is to break down the goal on a quarterly basis, then monthly basis, weekly, and then daily. Okay, this is so important. Why? Because when you break it down, you know what to hit, right? You know that if you miss something that week, that day, right, then you know, hey, you know what? I gotta get on it for tomorrow, right? If you didn't do it that day, then you know what? Tomorrow, I gotta get on those 10 sales calls, or I gotta get in front of 3 clients to close a sale, whatever that might be, right? It's really important that you understand that this goal, this habit right here, is the most important out of all of the habits I've given you, right? These are habits that need to be ingrained in you, that need to be done on a regular basis, okay? And like I said, let's be honest. This will take some time, but in the long run, it will save you so much money and time, because when you narrow down the goal, you can share it with your staff. You have the goal in front of you. I'll give you an example. Let's say for myself, right? I'm a tax strategist, I'm a bookkeeper, and I'm a coach. And so we focus on certain areas of our business on a certain time. So usually tax season is from January all the way through April, maybe a little bit further this year. Okay. And our focus is taxes, right? So anything we do on content, anything we do on our business, right? We talk about business, we talk about taxes, we talk about bookkeeping, because those are the bloodline of our business. So when you focus on certain things in that specific month, then you know what you're working on. Okay, you know that those goals are clear for you. Now, at this point in the video, you've learned 5 habits to grow your business past the 6-figure mark. Look, guys, this video is free for you guys. All I ask is if you can share it with someone, right? Share the link with someone that might need these types of habits for themselves, for their business, for their mind, for their body, for their soul, right? The biggest thing I want you to take away from this video is to make sure that you implement these habits. Because me telling you, me sharing everything I've done and I've done with my clients, I think it's important to know that you gotta do Goya sometimes, right? Get off your ass. You gotta go take the action. You gotta go do the thing that you hate the most, but you gotta do it. Okay? Why? Because that's what makes us grow. That's what makes us expand in our business. Okay? So, while you wait for next week's videos, I post other videos on taxes, bookkeeping, finances, and your mindset. Okay, so make sure that you watch these two videos right here. Okay, and guys, thanks for watching today's video, and don't forget to appreciate your day, accept your day, confront your day, and crush your day. Bye guys, have an awesome rest of the week.